Okay, in this video we are going to solve the problem of counting letters in a phrase. Okay, so we start by importing the lower and upper letter from the string module. From string is a built-in module in Python. String. From there we import ASCII, lowercase, and ASCII uppercase. Those two properties of string module. We can create a function. We call it count letters. We receive as a parameter the phrase. Okay, and now in we create a variable. We call it count. We will start with 0. This is the initial value for the counter. We iterate the entire content of the phrase variable using a for loop. For C will represent each character in the phrase variable. C in phrase. Okay. And for each iteration, we verify if C in ASCII lowercase, or C in ASCII uppercase. If any of these two conditions are valid, we need to increment the count variable in 1 unit. Count in this expression we can use the plus assign operator. We increment by one value the count variable. And finally, once the for loop finish, we can return the content of the count variable. We can use the count letters function. Before call that function, I will create a variable called phrase and assign this string content. Python version dot 3.8.3. Another variable, we can call it result, and in this expression we can invoke the count letters function, count letters, and pass as a parameter phrase. That is all. And we finally present the result in the console. Print and pass result as argument. Result. Okay. Before execute the program, we can count manually the number of letters in the phrase. Python version 3.8.3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That will be the result. 7 letters, including vowels and consonants. And now we can execute. Tap over the play button, the yellow one, and here is the corresponding result. 7 is the result for this invocation.